Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking to combine a sleek design with the safety of a GFCI outlet, check out this one here from Legrand.
We recently bought an older home that was not up to modern safety standards and needed GFCIs installed. We chose these because they are not only really sleek and beautiful, but they also are exceptionally safe. So these are 15 amp outlets and they include a GFCI self-test. It actually runs a self-test every 3 seconds. So if there is any sort of failure, then this is going to be alerting you with an indicator light. These were easy to install and they match the other Legrand devices that we chose to install that have the same sleek and modern design. So I think this is a great choice overall, whether you are on a new build or upgrading an older home.
So we are super happy with these GFCI outlets, and that's my point of view.